We are going to Germany! Ang ganda! Guten Morgen! Welcome to Stuttgart! I think I'm pretty here.
You're pretty everywhere.
Nakakuha kami ng ticket sa semis dito sa Porsche Tennis Grand Prix. Yeah! They were actually here! Look! Now we're about to watch an opera. 6 hours. Magpakabata tayo today. The Museum of Illusion. My dearest friend for 3 decades is here and I'm so proud of her. She's a musical performer, Lani Sumalinog.
Let it go! Let it go! Ito ang aking bahay. Nakita ko siya.
Germany!
Natanggap ako!
Ah! Grabe! We were all aware of our dreams.
Tsaka suportahan.
Super. Dankeschön, Stuttgart! Thank you!